So basically here, I have two problems, and I want to just walk through how to answer these problems, both problems with you. So first problem says how many grams of sodium sulfate are contained in 10 milliliters of 0.150 molar of solution. So we know that molarity is equals moles over volume, right? And my volume is in liters. So if I just look for this particular problem, I want to find the grams, but I do not have a direct relationship between this data here and the grams. So first of all, knowing that molarity is equals mole over volume, using the data that the problem gave me, the information that the problem gave me, I can find the moles. And from the moles, I can find the grams. So first of all, in order to find the moles, I need to solve my equation for moles. So what I do, I can multiply both sides by V. So I know that moles is equals to molarity times my volume. Now that I know that, I can plug my numbers. So I have a 0. Moles would be equals a 0.150, my molarity, times my volume. And my volume is 10, but it's milliliters, so I need to convert that to liters. So 10 to the third and 1. So I know that this is equals to 0.010. Yes. Okay, so my moles would be equals to 0.150 times 0.010. So my moles, it's equals to 0.0015 moles. Now that I have my moles, what I can do is just using the molar map and goes from moles to grams. I know that in order to go from moles to grams, I need 2 times by the molar mass of this guy. So what I do is 0.0015 moles. Moles goes in the bottom. And the molar mass goes in the top. And I already calculated the molar mass is 142.04214. Moles and moles cancels out. And my final answer would be equals to 0.213 grams of NH2SO4. So this is how I solve my problem. The problem gave me the molarity and gave me the volume. So first I rearrange my formula because I know that molarity is equals moles over volume. I rearrange it, I got moles by itself, and then so I know that moles is equals molarity times volume. I converted my volume to liters, and then I times by the molarity. I found the moles, and from there I multiply by the molar mass, and then I found the grams that the question asked me for. The next problem say what would the molarity of a solution be if it contained 1.48 grams of silver nitrate in 50 milliliters. So first of all, I know that molarity is equals moles over volume, and this volume is in liters. Okay, so I have a grams here of silver nitrate. The first question is, can I find the moles of Can I find the moles, the respective moles associated with that particular mass? Yes, I can. What I need to do is just use the 4.81 grams, and then I divide it by the molar mass of silver nitrate. I already calculated that is 169.87. So doing this mass divided by this molar mass gives me the moles. And the moles are 0.00872. Now that I calculated the moles, I can divide the moles by the volume, but remember the volume is in liters, the volume is in milliliters, I need to convert to liters, and then I can find the molarity. So I do 0.00872 divided by 0.05, giving me a 0.174 as my molarity.